Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today is the second to last video of the Piston Cup takeover, which is going to be followed by, I don't know what I'm going to follow it with, but the second to last car unboxing will be Kori, because you know what, I figured I should get this, because I never got her. She's not really much to write home about. She's a blue car. On the back, you see the the Christmas Lightning McQueen, the Alex, you see Kori, you see, I don't even know who you are, the Shiny Wax Racer, and Flo. That Flo has been sitting in a Rite Aid for like 20 days by now. So anyway, let's get this guy let's get this girl unboxed. Anyway, thanks for if you're still here at this point, it's not that far in, so it's not going to be really surprising, but like and subscribe to the channel, because you know what? Why not? I'm not going to be one of those YouTubers that are like and subscribe in the next 5 minutes, or this thing will be... No. Like and subscribe. That's all I'm going to say. And now, let's get this girl unboxed. Kori looks a lot more different than I thought she would from the box. And she also has the press sticker, which was not shown. Wow, Kori is not much to write home about. She doesn't have a license plate. Look at that. And the only real reason I got this die cast in particular was because I really, I'm debating here soon to start making some, the After Danko 400 footage for stop motion remakes, because I haven't made a stop motion remake in a hot minute, so I thought I might as well start getting in the works for one again. Probably once, because I know Smash Bros. Saga is supposed to make a kind of bridge between me making stop motion remakes and me just doing what I wanted, but I think Smash Bros. Saga might be coming to an end here relatively soon, because I'm starting to lose interest in making them. Anyway, stop talking about that. She has a baby bluish kind of sky blue turquoise. I don't know. The car is really nice for she's small. She doesn't also have headlights. Oh yeah, also the diecast is supposed to have review mirrors, as it says on the back of the box. So they really did not a good job with this car. So I guess that's something to write home about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Tomorrow's video is actually or the next, I don't even know when this is going up. Either the next video or the following video is going to be of a diecast that's not even a car. So, I guess stick around for that. Thanks for watching.